Transferring videos from a Mac to an iPhone can be tricky. In this video, we'll show you 5 effective methods. If one doesn't work, try the next. Let's get started. Part 1. How to transfer videos from Mac to iPhone with iPhone Transfer 5 Minutes Way. One of the best tools for transferring videos between Mac and iPhone is iOS Transfer for Mac. It's designed for easy file transfer without using iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the Mac computer. Run iOS Transfer for Mac and connect your iPhone to the Mac with a USB cable. Tap Trust on your iPhone. Once connected, the interface will look like this. Step 2. Select the videos to transfer. All data categories will appear on the left sidebar. Select Videos to enter the video management window. Click the plus button in the top menu. Browse for the videos on your Mac and upload them to your iPhone. Part 2. How to transfer video from Mac to iPhone with Dropbox. 1. Open a web browser on your Mac and go to Dropbox. 2. Select Upload Files and upload the video. 3. On your iPhone, open the Dropbox app, find the video, and download it to your phone. Part 3. How to send video from Mac to iPhone with iTunes. 1. Connect your iPhone to your Mac with a USB cable. 2. Open iTunes and click File, Add File to Library to import the video. 3. Find the video on your Mac and select it to transfer, or drag and drop the video directly to your iPhone. Part 4. How to get videos from Mac to iPhone with email. 1. On your Mac, open a web browser and log into your email. 2. Compose a new email to yourself, attach the video, and send it. 3. On your iPhone, log into your email and download the video. Part 5. How to move a video from Mac to iPhone with VCL App. Step 1. Open the VCL app on your iPhone. Go to App Settings and enable sharing via Wi-Fi. Step 2. Turn to the Mac, open your browser, log into the VCL site, and upload the video there.